How to find and subscribe to Cristiano Ronaldo's official YouTube channel. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to find and subscribe to Cristiano Ronaldo's official YouTube channel. Ronaldo just launched his channel, and it's already breaking subscriber records. If you're having trouble finding his channel, I will show you how to find it. So, to find and subscribe to Cristiano Ronaldo's YouTube channel, first open the YouTube app or website on your device. You'll land on the homepage, where you can explore trending videos and your subscriptions. Next, tap on the search icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will bring up the search bar where you can type in anything you want to find on YouTube. In the search bar, type Cristiano. That's Ronaldo's official YouTube handle. Keep in mind that this handle might change in the future, but for now, it's working perfectly. If it does change, I've got you covered. There's a direct link to his channel in the description below. Now, go ahead and hit the search button. Ronaldo's official YouTube channel should appear right at the top of the search results. You'll see his channel card, which includes his profile picture and channel name. Tap on this channel card to enter his YouTube channel page, where you can explore more of his content and learn more about what he's sharing with the world. As you can see, Ronaldo's channel has already gained millions of subscribers within just a day. Talk about breaking records. Let's help him set even more records by subscribing to his channel. Tap the subscribe button on his channel page. After subscribing, tap the button again to bring up the notification options. Here, select all to ensure you never miss one of his latest uploads. This way, you'll be the first to know whenever Ronaldo drops a new video. And that's it! Now you've successfully found and subscribed to Cristiano Ronaldo's official YouTube channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.